to the channel, everyone. I hope everybody's staying safe and well. Welcome back. Don't forget we release vlogs every single Saturday 6 PM UK time. Gaming is every single Thursday and Friday 6 PM UK time. The family is there, they're just chilling on the bench, obviously starting in the intro. Lighthouse is getting moved. It's going to be a big firework display and pyrotechnics, I think I said that right. Pyrotechnics show, so we brought the kids along. Going to be vlogging it for you guys. They're testing all the lighting and that at the minute. So see you when it starts, guys. Everyone, subscribe, turn that notification bell on, and remember, love yourself every day.
It's under control, 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 it's under control. 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 so high I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through. Times don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world but keep the sky on your mind.
That's a wrap. Tower of Light has been brought to you by Walk the Plank. Kindly supported by Hull City Council, and thank you so much to the team of volunteers that carried our torches across the bridge and brought us all the way to the tower.
Well everybody, if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe, turn that notification bell on. We upload vlogs every single Saturday, 6 PM UK time. Gaming is every single Thursday and Friday, 6 PM UK time. If you want to see more vlogs like this, guys, hit the comments and the like, and we'll see you in the next family vlog. Everyone please stay safe and well, and remember, love yourself every day.